Welcome, everyone, to today's discussion on effective prayer techniques. We are all familiar with prayer, but are we truly maximizing its potential? Today, we'll explore some practical strategies to enhance our prayer life.
Prayer is a powerful connection with the God, but it's not just about words. It's about cultivating a genuine relationship. One effective technique is mindful prayer, where you focus on the present moment, clearing your mind of distractions, and truly listening to your inner voice, and the voice of the divine. Think of it like a deep conversation, not a monologue.
That's a great point. It's easy to get caught up in our to-do lists. How can we achieve this mindfulness?
Start with a few minutes of quiet reflection. Deep breathing exercises can help center you. You might also find it helpful to use a guided meditation or prayer app. The key is consistency. Even a few minutes of focused prayer each day can make a difference.
From a psychological perspective, prayer can be incredibly beneficial for mental well-being. Gratitude-based prayer is particularly effective. Focusing on what you're thankful for shifts your perspective from what's lacking to what you already have. This can reduce stress and anxiety and foster a sense of contentment.
So, instead of focusing on requests, we should also express gratitude.
Absolutely. It's a powerful way to reframe your thoughts and cultivate a positive mindset. It doesn't mean you shouldn't make requests, but incorporating gratitude balances your prayers and strengthens your connection to the positive aspects of life.
Another technique is intercessory prayer, praying for others. This selfless act can be incredibly rewarding and expands your spiritual horizons. When you pray for someone else, you're connecting with their struggles and joys, fostering empathy and compassion.
How can we make intercessory prayer more effective?
Be specific in your prayers. Instead of simply saying bless them, mention their specific needs and challenges. Visualize them receiving the blessings you're asking for. And remember, prayer isn't about controlling outcomes. It's about offering support and connection.
Finally, remember that prayer is a journey, not a destination. There will be times when you feel disconnected or your prayers seem unanswered. That's okay. Persistence and patience are key. Keep practicing. Keep seeking that connection. And trust in the process.
Thank you both for sharing these insightful techniques. Remember, effective prayer is a personal journey. And what works for one person might not work for another. Experiment with different techniques. Find what resonates with you and, most importantly, be consistent in your practice.